In this video, I am going to show you how to use AI to design print-on-demand products. So we are in the product catalog of Printify. I am looking for apron because I want to design on apron. As I scroll through, read about the key features of this particular blank field apron that I can design on. I will start the designing process. You click on the green tab, and then you're going to go through a user interface guide. We want to download this design template right here. You can go next and go through all of the user interface tour guide, but I'm going to skip this part. You can go ahead if you want to design right inside of Printify. I'm going to be using either Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Photoshop. You have two files in that template, the zip template. It is the Adobe Illustrator and the Adobe Photoshop. So I'm going to be designing within Adobe's Photoshop. Resolution of this template is 150 dpi. This is the size of the, and this is also the layers of where you could design. You could see what this apron would look like laying flat. You see this little green dash mark. As you read from this little product information here, this green mark is a safe area for you to design in, so that way you won't be having your product print off the areas. So design within this green dash. Here I am going through the rectangular tools to get to the regenerative field. I'm creating a triangle, drawing that shape, which then creates an AI prompt. You've used AI before in art, so I'm searching for cartoon fried egg chef. I want AI to draw me a cartoonized sunny side up fried egg chef. And you could just go ahead and enter your prompt here, click generate. You can see still downloading as it's going to generate. AI is going to be generating our graphics for us. I don't know about that particular AI cartoon eggs, but we can go through, and here on the left panels you can see a few more artwork that it's created for us. I kind of like this guy, so I'm going to pick this one. He has little arms. I'm also going through this little tab here to draw out another square for AI to fill in. I may want him to have some cooking utensil kind of like floating in his hand somewhere. So let's see, we could put a spatula. Let AI draw us a spatula. So we type in spatula, we hit generate, and now it's loading. And there we have our options for the Adobe 2024 with AI to help us create some of our graphics. Yep, so we have looks like a spatula, a knife, and a gray spatula. And on this other hand, I want to go ahead and create regenerative fields, type in what I want, a frying pan. Then click generate. AI is now loading and creating the artwork of a frying pan for me. Now that frying pan looks too realistic. So let's see if I could stylize it a little bit more and give AI a few more information to make it more cartoon-like. So we could type in cartoon frying pan. Click generate. And now AI inside of Adobe Photoshop is going to be generating a frying pan. And there goes our frying pan right above little chef dude's hand. Egg chef. Now at this point in Photoshop, I don't know what to do with the spatula. AI didn't give us a really nice option of cartoon spatula. They gave us like a green spatula. So I don't know if I want to change the color of the spatula or what. I'm going to fidget around and see what I should be doing with this spatula. See if I could give like a cartoon style spatula and let AI generate and create us something a little bit better than what we have here. Looks like our option of a spatula isn't so pretty. Again, if you guys like to use vector drawing with Adobe Illustrator, you guys can also draw and also put in your customized drawing on this design template from Printify. Printify have all the catalog products where you could download their file templates so that you can design within the printable areas. What I'm trying to do right here is generate like another utensil that I like. Let's see what AI like. I want to particularly show you guys this cool feature in the 2024 release of Adobe Photoshop and also Adobe Illustrator have AI artwork. So you can now let AI generate a few graphics for you, which just to me, I went to school for paintings and illustration at one point. Doesn't mean I cannot draw, but I think this is a nifty tool for those that just want to cut time and just make products or isn't too confident in their drawing abilities. You can use artificial intelligence to draw for you. At this point, I think I'm trying to change the color of the spatula. I don't know what to do with that green spatula. It's not pretty. But I'm going through the templates layer here. If you look through Photoshop and you're familiar with layers, we want to get rid of this little information here, which is the front area of the template for this apron. You can actually hide that to see what the product is going to look like. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm going through all the layers within this design template so that I could turn this off. And that's what I'm doing. I'm turning off the information that tells you the areas to design in and all that. I'm kind of turning that off so it's not visible. And I can better see how this design would look. I also want to put in a text, maybe something to say like kiss the chef or something on this printed area, but I decided not to in the end. So I did save it as a PNG file and I got rid of the green spatula. I don't know what to do with that. So this is the AI generated artwork. I went ahead and I'm back on the Printify's design template and I'm uploading that in PNG, what we just designed. I'm just uploading that design on here. It's still going through its tutorial of the user interface of Printify's design. We went ahead and uploaded the template that we downloaded and designed in Photoshop with AI art. So what I'm going to do here is just to adjust our uploaded file. And again, familiarize yourself with Printify's design, design little area here. Because you could design right inside of this using their built-in UI tools or upload. And here we're prototyping it, we're previewing what this is going to look like as a product, a print-on-demand product. So this would be what it looks like. Our little AI generated chef guy with a frying pan onto an apron. So if you guys are crunched on time and you still want to make some products for print on demand, using AI art is fantastic. But if you guys just want to go through and draw your own design in Illustrator with like a tablet or a digital pen, you could do that, or even your drawings that you can scan in and upload. Just make sure that it is within the printable area. Name the title that you want. This is the product's description, product size, variation if you decide to add different colors for this to be printed on, this AI art to be printed on, size and imperial metrics, and this particular item, it has one size. You could see the profit margin. You could decide how much you want to make off of this. And you should also have it connected to a store. I'm going to show you, this is my store. I have an Etsy store also. But this is all the platform that you could connect your print on demand to. So Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, PrestaShop, even customize like websites. You may have a developer work on this with you and connect this to your store.